Good day, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight MFAFT 2023. We're about to take off, so kindly sit back, relax, and enjoy what's ahead.
The year has been a highly active one and one that has definitely yielded good success.
In 2023, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade embarked on a quest to deepen Jamaica's international relations and to promote our country's interests on the global stage. Here are some highlights of the Ministry's 2023 mission itinerary.
Jamaica now has formal diplomatic relations with 174 of the 193 members of the United Nations.
The ministry also signed several agreements with its bilateral partners to further boost Jamaica's growth and national development. These include MOUs with Portugal and the Republic of Greece for political consultations, a violence prevention partnership with the United Kingdom, agreed minutes with the Republic of Korea for grant aid, agreed conclusions of the 10th Jamaica-Mexico Binational Commission to strengthen trade, investment, and cooperation, MOU with Barbados to strengthen cooperation between the two countries, and a MOU with the Dominican Republic to expand cooperation in various sectors.
We were able to secure, for example, by virtue of our bilateral and strategic relationships with our bilateral and multilateral partners. Morocco, for example, we were able to secure fertilizers for farmers valued at over $100 million. When you speak of our relations with our Asian partners, you can look at South Korea. We were able to secure tablets, over 4,000 tablets for students. This was a gift from the Koreans, which we gave to the Ministry of Education. Again, that was valued at over 70 million Jamaican dollars.
16 tertiary students also received scholarships valued at $40,000 through support from the Jamaican Diaspora. And much needed medical equipment was donated to the ministry in 2023 from the People's Republic of China, valued at over 77 million Jamaican dollars. In 2023, the ministry reaped notable results from its flagship economic diplomacy program, which was rolled out in conjunction with JAMPRO.
Seeks to identify more investment opportunities in coming to Jamaica as well as opportunities outgoing, and we've really had some good results in that regard, including entry of coffee into the EU market, which was something that was not being pressed before.
One of the new initiatives that came out of this economic diplomacy program was the establishment of honorary investment advisors. This is where the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and ourselves have looked to identify Jamaican business persons and professionals overseas who are well connected, who can assist the JAMPRO in getting in contact and getting in the room with key investors and also with big distributors in the States, especially in the agribusiness field. So right now we have 4 honorary investment advisors. One has been named for Florida, one for Atlanta, one for Toronto, and one for Japan.
For diaspora engagement, we have had a series of regional conferences. So we had our diaspora conference in Canada, and this was across Montreal, Toronto, and in Ottawa. We had the diaspora conference in the United Kingdom. I also met with the diaspora in Antigua. We also had the inaugural diaspora conference for continental Europe, and that was in early December.
The Global Jamaican Diaspora Council and the Global Jamaica Diaspora Youth Council were also launched to deepen collaboration between Jamaica and its citizens living overseas. By all indications, 2023 yielded numerous accomplishments for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, and plans are already in place to make this year just as rewarding.
So in 2024, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade will be seeking to deepen our diplomatic relations with partners bilaterally, regionally, hemispherically, and multilaterally. We'll be seeking to leverage those partnerships in the interests of the Jamaican people for Jamaica's national development. We'll be seeking to ensure that there's more cooperation at the technical and economic level, and we'll be making sure that we do everything we can do to make Jamaica a better place.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We will be landing shortly. Thank you for choosing Flight MFAFT 2023.